everyone, here's the problem, here's the deal. My bus broke down earlier on when I was on my way to Glasgow. Had to get another one, which meant I missed my connection to Lanark. So unfortunately I haven't made it to Castairs, I've only made it to Lanark. So the plan is to film the one on top of the police station here. But I can't find the bloody police station on time and the siren's about to go off, it's almost 1. So I'm just going to have to just film it standing in this bleeding alleyway. So we're just going to have to film the noise, but I can't find it on time. I'm sorry guys, I know it's not the test that I had planned, but I did still promise you I'd bring you a test, and I am. So I'm not even going to say I hope you like it. You better bloody love it, because I went to a lot of trouble to get here. Right. Really hear it's a CS8, the one at the police station. You could really hear it's, you know, the noise it makes, like the one in Broadmoor used to make after they'd shut off. It's going to go again, isn't it? It does 3 rounds, doesn't it? They do 3 rounds, all of them. They do three rounds, I think. Just try and get some of the sky in here. It's lovely. It should have one more blast left to do. I can really hear it winding down. I think that's it, guys. I don't think it's going to do another one. It's usually 3, isn't it? So, keep it running another wee minute just in case. I'm really sorry that I didn't make it to Castairs village, but it's just been one thing after another this morning. You know, I couldn't believe it when the bus went wonky and I had to switch it and get another one, wait for it to come, and then it got into the bus station in Glasgow much later, so I missed my bus, and that was that. I knew the only hope in hell I had was to wait 2 hours, get the bus to Lanark and try and get the one at the police station. And sorry I didn't quite make it to the police station, but at least we got the test. That's what counts. It's not so much about the visuals with sirens, is it? It's as long as you get the noise, that's what counts, because that's why we love them. The visual is just a bonus, but I'll get that next time. But yeah, I mean, today it's just been one of those days, or which is just a usual day for me, to be honest with you. Every day is one of those days. So, but just get some of the wee birds flying around in here. Yeah, so it's not going to do anything else, I don't think. But we've got what we came for. Yeah, I know a lot of siren enthusiasts can't always go out their way to come and film test due to work and stuff, but I'm lucky that I have, you know, I can most of the time get here and film the ones in Grangemouth as well, obviously. So that's why I'm going to make more of an effort to keep coming back to Lanarkshire to film all of these sirens, because I can do it. I have that privilege at the minute anyway. So I hope you know, like I said, there is no hope, and you better bloody enjoy it. It's been a hell of a bloody misadventure to get here. So, right, we'll leave it there, and I'll go and put this together, do what I can with it, and see you all again